नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओ। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हिना मेवाड़ा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ प्रसूति एंड स्त्री रोग, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. In today's session, I am going to discuss about syphilis in female. Syphilis is caused by the anaerobic spirochete called Trypnoma pallidum. Syphilitic lesion of the genital tract is acquired. It is caused by direct contact with another person who has open primary or secondary syphilitic lesion. Transmission occurs through the abraded skin or mucosal surface. Incubation period is ranged between 9 to 90 days. Now stages, there are 4 stages of syphilis: primary, secondary, tertiary and latent phase. Primary phase is manifest by hard cankry. Secondary phase is manifest by Palmer-Reiss's lymphadenopathy and condyloma lata. And tertiary phase is manifest by neurosyphilis, ortitis and gammas. Now first of all, primary lesion or hard cankry. Primary lesion may be single or multiple and is usually located in the labia. Fortuity, anus, cervix and nipple are the other side of the lesion. Small papule is formed which is quickly eroded to form an ulcer. Margin of ulcer are raised with smooth shiny floor. Ulcer is painless without any surrounding inflammatory reaction. Inguinal gland are enlarged, discrete and painless. Primary cankry heal spontaneously in 1 to 8 week, leaving behind a scar. मतलब सिफिलिस में सबसे पहले प्राइमरी लीजन बनते हैं जो कि मोस्टली लेबिया में होते हैं और फॉर्चुटी एनस सर्विक्स और निपल पे भी हो सकते हैं. इसमें एक स्मॉल पेप्यूल बनता है जो कि क्विकली इरोडेड होकर अल्सर का रूप ले लेती हैं. इस अल्सर की जो मार्जिन्स होती हैं वो रेज्ड होती है और स्मूथ शाइनी फ्लोर होता है और पेनलेस अल्सर होगा और उसमें सराउंडिंग इन्फ्लामेटरी रिएक्शंस होती है. इस डायग्राम में देखिए, ये है सिफिलिटिक अल्सर. इसमें जो इंग्वाइनल ग्लैंड्स होती है वो इनलार्ज्ड होगी, डिस्क्रीट होगी और पेनलेस होगी और ये 1 to 8 वीक्स में spontaneously heal हो जाते हैं. Now secondary syphilis, within 6 weeks to 6 months from the onset of primary cankry, it may be evidenced in the vulva in the form of condyloma lata. यानी secondary syphilis जो है वो 6 वीक से प्राइमरी सिफिलिस के बाद 6 वीक से 6 मंथ तक की होती हैं जिसमें condyloma lata evidenced होते हैं वल्वा पर. Condyloma lata is a coarse, flat-topped, moist, necrotic lesion and teeming with trypnomas. इस डायग्राम में देखिए, ये कॉन्डाइलोमा लाटा है जो कि वल्वा के पोर्शन में और लेबिया के पोर्शन में प्रेजेंट है. सेकेंडरी सिफिलिस में सिस्टेमिक सिम्टम्स भी इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं लाइक फीवर, हेडेक एंड सोर थ्रोट. Maculopapular skin rashes are seen on the palm and sole, and generalized lymphadenopathy, mucosal ulcer, and alopecia are also found. Third phase is latent syphilis. It is the consequence phase after the stage of secondary syphilis has resolved. It varies in duration from 2 to 20 years. मतलब जब सेकेंडरी सिफिलिटिक फेज रिजॉल्व हो जाती है तो उसके बाद लेटेंट फेज आती है जो कि 2 से 20 साल तक की होती है. वो वेरी कर सकती है ड्यूरेशन में, जिसमें कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं होते. Then tertiary syphilis, about 1/3 of untreated patients progress from the latent to tertiary syphilis. मतलब जितने भी सिफिलिटिक पेशेंट होते हैं जो कि लेटेंट फेज में, उनके 1/3 जो अनट्रीटेड रह जाते हैं वही टर्सरी सिफिलिस की फेज में जाते हैं. It damages the central nervous system, cardiovascular and musculoskeletal system. Patient may present with cranial nerve palsies, third 4th and 7th and 8th. Hemiplasia, tabes dorsalis, aortic aneurysm, and gammas of skin and bone. Tertiary syphilis is characterized by gamma. A gummatous ulcer is a deep punctured ulcer with rolled out margin. It is painless with a moist leather base. Serpiginous outline may also be reduced. ये गमेटस अल्सर के डायग्राम है. Now congenital syphilis. From transplacental migration of spirochete to the fetus. मतलब मदर से fetus को transplacental migration के थ्रू syphilis हो सकता है. Occur with all stages of maternal infection and at any gestational age. ये मदर से बेबी को किसी भी इन्फेक्शन की स्टेज में हो सकता है और किसी भी गेस्टेशनल एज में हो सकता है. Clinical features of congenital syphilis are early and late. Early features are maculopapular rashes, rhinitis, hepatosplenomegaly, jaundice, lymphadenopathy, choriorhinitis, and pneumonia. Late syphilis features are Hutchinson teeth, deafness, saddle nose, Faber sign, hydrocephalus, mental retardation, Clutton joint, interstitial keratitis, and optic nerve atrophy. If the baby is stillborn, spirochetes may be detected from the fetal liver or spleen or from the intimal scraping of umbilical vein. This is the diagrammatic presentation of congenital syphilis. Hydrops, fetalis, nasal discharge or congenital teeth, petechial rashes, necrotizing fasciitis or osteitis, hepatomegaly or rashes. Now diagnosis of the syphilis. History of exposure to an infected person, then identification of the organism, Trypnoma pallidum and anaerobe. आइडेंटिफिकेशन मीन्स जो डिस्चार्ज है एक्सुडेट है उसको स्मीयर में स्प्रेड आउट करके माइक्रोस्कोप में देखा जाता है. तो माइक्रोस्कोप में ट्रिप्नोमेटाज अपेयर एज मोटाइल ब्लूइश वाइट cork-screw-shaped organism. Serological tests include VDRL, which is positive after 6 weeks of initial infection. Specific tests include Trypnoma pallidum, hemagglutinin test, Trypnoma pallidum and enzyme immunoassay, fluorescent tryponemal antibody absorption test, and Trypnoma pallidum immobilization test. Fluorescent tryponemal antibody absorption test are best FTA ABS test or enzyme immunoassay test for trypnomal specific IgG and IgM is now routinely used. VDRL and Trypnoma pallidum hemagglutinin test are used for screening and FTA ABS test is used for confirmation. Now treatment. According to CDC recommendation 2006, early syphilis means in primary, secondary and early latent phase of syphilis of less than 1 year duration. Benzathine penicillin G 2.4 million unit is given intramuscularly in a single dose, half to each buttock. In penicillin allergic cases, tetracycline 500 mg 4 times a day or doxycycline 100 mg 2 times a day per oral for 14 days is also effective. In case of late syphilis, benzathine penicillin G 2.4 million unit is given IM weekly for 3 weeks, 7.2 million unit total. This should be in consultation with the STI's clinic. Alternative reason are doxycycline 100 mg orally twice daily or tetracycline 500 mg orally 4 times a day for 4 weeks. Now, treatment of congenital syphilis. Positive serological reaction without clinical evidence of the disease in baby, then the baby is treated with a single intramuscular dose of penicillin G 50,000 unit per kg body weight. If infected baby with positive serological reaction, first of all, isolation with the mother, then intramuscular administration of aqueous procaine penicillin G 50,000 unit per kg body weight each day for 10 days. An apparently healthy child of a non-syphilitic mother, then serological reaction should be tested weekly for the first month and then monthly for 6 months. In follow-up case, serological test is to be performed uh, first, third, sixth, and 12th month after treatment of early syphilis. In late symptomatic cases, surveillance is for life. The serological test is to be done annually. All women with simultaneous syphilis and HIV infection may have high rate of treatment failure. So thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you all are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please write in comment box so I will resolve it. Thank you so much.